Hey guys, I ordered a package from More Militaria and eBay. Well, packages. I've never used More Militaria before. It's my first experience. And I figured I would do an unboxing video, so here we go. It's all Vietnam gear for equipment. I did get one reproduction thing. I've never bought a reproduction item before, so I'll see how this turns out. Sure, it's a quick way for me to save some cash. But let's get back to ordering it. Hobo. Alright, that's open. So let's see here. First of all, I got 100 rounds of 7.62 ammunition, which is fucking awesome. Jesus, this thing's sick. Seriously. This thing looks awesome. Ooh. Take my love. Oh, there's that. Seriously, how badass is that? Next up, some bubble wrap. This is the More Militaria package. This was like $30, I think. I'm not sure. Next, I got some Rothko Jungle Trousers. First reproduction thing ever, so we'll see how that goes. Got some mixed feelings on it, but we'll find out. Oh man, I thought this was original, so I guess I got two reproductions. I got a reproduction green t-shirt with a Rothko thing on it, which really sucks. I don't think I put the brand on it. At least some bright red. That sucks. But never used reproduction, so I'll see that it is. I feel really bad for ordering it. This is awesome. It doesn't get much cooler than that. Next up is this from eBay. This was a really good deal. It's an Arvin rucksack. The picture looks practically mints. I mean, versus the other ones, they're like 170 for like one of the holes and rips. But this package is pretty small. It's like saran wrapped or something. The guy was pretty good price wise. He got the business card in here. You guys want to try that out? Okay, personal stuff. Next, my Arvin rucksack. I was thinking either Arvin or a lightweight, but you know what? I'd rather only spend $200 in a backpack than $700. Oh, this thing's awesome. Look at that. This is mint. This is like on issued. This is brand spanking new. Jeez. Can't wait to pack this thing up. E2. I'll figure out how this thing goes on. Maybe we'll make E2 video on it finished. Well, that's about it. And thanks. Bye.